Hey also, today I've got a different video. I'm going to play the Magnus App, aged 9 years old. I thought it was interesting how Leela and Stockfish just absolutely dominate Magnus, aged 28 years. So we'll see how I do against Magnus, 9 years old. And I'm roughly rated about 2050 to 2100 FIDE, so we'll see how I get on. I'm just astonished at how badly these engines always seem to beat Magnus, or this Magnus App. So let's see how we do. So I'll start off with e4, c5, I'll play the Sicilian. I'm going to go with the Grand Prix attack with bishop b5 first. So knight d4 and now bishop to c4 I'm going to play. And then I'll probably play d3, stopping like a6 and b5 with a c4 move. Okay, so I'm attacking the knight. And bishop f6 is interesting, I've not really seen that move. I'll just castle. I don't know how strong this Magnus Age 9 is actually. So, oh, do I attack? I'll attack the bishop and move it away. Okay, I'll take that. I'm just going to move the bishop back so I don't want d5 coming in with the tempo. Alright, now let's see. So king f8, interesting. Okay, so I'm guessing this isn't very strong. I'll just play a4. f5, we're just going to open it up. So if I take, that's not great. Oh, bishop just f4. Okay, and I'll just put bishop back to d2. I'm going to play f6 here. Looks interesting. Okay, so I'm attacking f7 with a massive attack. I'll play the queen there. Okay. Yeah, so block that off. Do I just take that? Got to be a bit careful. I'll just take the rook first. So those pawns are doubled, and I'll just probably take this off. Let's see what happens now. Okay. Where's good? Rook there, maybe? Or maybe just bishop attack that. Let's just get the swap pieces off. We're a pawn up, I think. Should I take this? No, we can just... Alright, let's just double. Okay, and then maybe just queen here, attacking the pawn. And then queen here. Oh, I'll just take my pawn. I didn't see that. I'll take this knight off, it looks quite deadly. And rook there. Okay. So threatening mate. Maybe I've mucked this up. If I play queen here, I think I've mucked this up. I'm going to play this move now. Okay, I'll just save these pawns. Right. Rook here. This is not great. Maybe I should just move the king away. Uh-oh. Right, we'll start with rook here. I've mucked this. Oh no, I've mucked it up. I've lost my queen. Okay. Take it. I'll take this up. Yeah. Okay, that's game, isn't it? No, complete. No, it's game over. Sugar. I thought I was doing well. How do I resign? Resign again. Okay, let's do one more. Let's see how we get on. Maybe I'll be black this time. Oh no, white again. Okay, let's see if he plays the same thing. Okay, so c5. I wonder where I went wrong in that game. Okay, so I've not played knight c6 this time. Free pawn? No, we're not going to do it. Queen there. c3. Bishop b3. Can I play e5 here? I'll just take bishop. I'll take it. Oh no, it's got bishop e4. How do I... Oh, I'm trying to take his knights around. Castle queen side. Come on, let's just attack. Alright. Nice. Do this. Now what's happening? I think I've lost. Yeah, rook there. Oh, sugar. Right. Oh no, I can defend with the rook there. Right, let's get the knight into the game. This could be tricky. Yeah. Brilliant. Right, so that wasn't easy. Let's see if I get black. I wonder why I can't beat this. This is so hard. Right, one more game. We'll get into this system again. Alright, so now this is good for white. Okay, he's undermining my b pawn. Play rook there, and then queen e1. Okay, just moving his knight back and forth, which I don't think was brilliant. Now, okay, I think I'm in a good position now. I'm attacking his pawn, so he's got to defend it. Can just play g4 here. Looks nice. Okay, king there. Now what do I take with? Let's take the knight. Hopefully, okay, it's a recapture. Now if rook can come into the game, I'll push this up. Right, so let's see. Oh, that knight move was quite good defensively. We'll go there. And now if bishop takes... If I play queen here... Okay, let's just have a think. So if I take the bishop, the rook will take it. If I can move the bishop backwards, I can play e6. If e6, that was quite good actually. And I can double. So if I take, oh, it's pinned. Silly me. So I don't get the tempo. Yeah, but still, isn't this just winning? Okay, let's just be careful. I don't want to wreck it, this position. Could have wrecked it already. Okay. Knight there? No, because then... Okay, let's just double rooks quickly. Okay. Hold that fort. Yeah, let's go rook here. Takes. Yeah, so if I take with the knight, no, I can take with the rook. Yeah, I can take with the rook. Can I? Right, excellent. I think we've won this. So, just go with king. Yeah, push pawn, rook to g7, king here. Oh, there's a nice mate here. I'll do this. If we go here. Wow, okay, that took a long time to try and win. So as you can see, these games aren't easy. But yeah, it's weird how such a strong engine just dismantles Magnus Age 22 and above, whereas I can barely beat Magnus Age 9. Anyway, thank you for watching. Maybe Magnus Age 10 we should play next. Thank you.